Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube. Today I want to teach you tips about Fiverr. So you can see here my gig, John Kim. So my gig is top on the top list. So you can see this is number one, right? So and of course I've done my few jobs. So if I can switch to my business, my orders. So the debug completed. You can see I already done my few jobs. So guys, um, what is my secret? So the first thing you should know is how does Fiverr operate. Fiverr, you're not allowed to do anything that is related to academic. You can see my gigs. Um, I'm doing structural design. I'm doing architectural drawings, and I'm doing PowerPoint presentation. And I'm doing structural calculations. So basically, nothing is academic related. If you do anything that is academic related, you uh, you will be denied your Fiverr gig will be post. And as you can see here, so you don't lose anything that is academic, whether it is nursing or so as you can see DVS denied. And I'm lucky because uh, I already had this Fiverr. If you want to try to open a new account and you go for academic works, you will not you will be uh, expended from Fiverr, and you will never have an opportunity to have another Fiverr. So you can only have one Fiverr account. So that is another thing. And the other thing you should know is how is my gig. So let me switch back to that. So how is my gig here on top of the list? Because how do your clients find you? The client will find you. If they open what they are searching, they can find you easily. And if someone is looking for person with a job, definitely to find in one to pick these people. They are the top, and you can see where I am. So how do you get at this position? First of all, uh, the way it operates is the number of orders you've done. The more the orders you do, the more you are ranked here, you'll be ranked among the first ones, right? So if you have even a single order, you will realize that your gig will shoot to the first page, right? That is the first thing. But the second thing, you can pause it. If you're not having any orders, if you have not been rated, you can pause this by what you call refreshing. How do you refresh? You can do it manually, you can do it like this. If I refresh like that, you see my gigs is still there, number two, right? And it's still on the top page, right? So, but many people is quite a lot of tasks. If I keep on refreshing here and everything, then I'm I have been stopped from doing other things. So what you can do basically, you can download what you call easy auto fetch. So this one. So this basically you go to your browser, you search easy auto refresh. Then you refresh it. Okay, alright. So you can find easy auto refresh here. So this extension, you can see the way it looks like. You can uh, um, you can see me already. I already have it, so I can only remove it from my browser. But you don't. If you don't have this, you now have an option to add it to your browser. Now, after you add it to your browser, you will see this option here, an extension. Then you go to there, then you click. Then you can see you can add the time zone to flash. If you want your game to grow faster, less means maybe 10 seconds. So this one will refresh after every 10 seconds. So let's see. So the other thing that you need to know is how you create your gig. So when you create your gig, that is it's already refreshed, okay? Let's refresh again. You can see my gigs right here on top. I have two gigs on the same page. Again, I have this gig. I have this gig here, and also I have another gig. I have another gig. I think just on this page. So let me remove 10 seconds is too small. Let me increase it to 100. Also, if you go, you can see here categories. You can change the categories, maybe say engineering, maybe say location, you can say local, so that you can find your gig. You can see I have two gigs. I have this one and I have this one. So that is the same password. So I put it in the same page because I always refresh my page. And how do you refresh? You need to switch to seller. Okay? You can see if I switch to buy, so you need to switch back to seller. Switch to buy, you need to switch to buying. So you're now in the buying page. Now you need to go to maybe let's do I'll go to start selling. I'll go to my business, my gigs, and then maybe I will search one of my gigs. So I will just copy this one. Okay. Then I'll go back and switch buying, switch back to buying. Then I will just paste what I want to search. So you can see now, I can see where my gig is. I can see where I am right here. Okay. So if you search like this, I will, you will see where you really are among these ones. So okay, I will do. So let me just remove it. So you can see where my gig is now. And now after now I know where my gig is. Now I can start to refresh. I can turn on my other refresh, put let's say 3 minutes, and then start. The other thing is how you create your gig. I think the most important thing for me, if you see here, is these people they have their logo. You can see this one, they have this logo. This one has its logo, has her logo, and also I have my logo. How do you create your logo? You can search for sites like the code, the code logo maker. Yeah, of course you can create beautiful Fiverr logo. You don't have to copy logo for anyone. You can see you can add text. You can see you can upload image. You can do anything just to create your logo, your unique logo. So you have to have a unique logo. And you can see my logo is one of my logos. That is what is going on to sell me to a client. So the good thing about Fiverr is it makes this world a global village. You know, if you're not bound to work in your location, you can look for jobs outside your location because now Fiverr is giving you that opportunity. Okay, now you can be able to work in your career, to do what you want, or what you're passionate about. Fiverr has has demolished those boundaries. So you're not now just in your location, you're working everywhere. That's how you do it. And then the other thing about Fiverr, let's say, is you have to know the terms of service of Fiverr. That is the TOS. That is, don't share contacts. If a client shares a contact with you, you have to politely tell her that you don't allow him or you don't. It's not allowed. It's against Fiverr to share contacts, and also you have to know those terms and conditions of Fiverr. So you have to read carefully to understand what you are allowed to do on Fiverr, what you are not allowed to do on Fiverr. So you're not allowed to have multiple Fiverr accounts. You're not allowed to have to share contacts. You can only work within Fiverr. Also, you have to have your own unique PayPal, because Fiverr you can only withdraw your money from PayPal or Payoneer. So don't just link anybody else's PayPal to your Fiverr account, because Fiverr only allows one person to have one Fiverr. And if you have used a PayPal or Payoneer account to another Fiverr, and someone just put it to your Fiverr, it means that Fiverr will think that it's the same person who you previously expelled from Fiverr is now into the account, so you will expel also because you have linked another person's Pioneer to your account. So you have to be careful. So I think that's all, guys. So if you don't see your page here, you can just go on and search. Here you can go to number 2. You can go up to number 10 and search where you are. And wherever you are, you start refreshing, right? So I'm now on page 2. So if you're on page 2, you refresh on page 2 until now your move is now brought back to page 1. So that's how you do it. So you can see the other thing about Fiverr is rating. If your clients rate you, the more your clients rate you, the more your gig will be recommended, and the more you will have more clients. So you have to struggle. You have to, tell your clients as much as you can to rate you. If your clients rate you, you have more clients. What attracts clients to a gig on Fiverr is those 5 stars. If you have many 5 stars, as you can see here, if I can go to page 1, that's the people with many 5 stars are the ones who will be having more jobs, right? So if you see this person is evaluated, you can see he has been rated 30 times 5 stars. This guy, for me, I've been rated in the average, which is in page 2. I've not been rated in page 3 for it has done a job, but I want to struggle to make sure that my next client will rate my gig. That's how I will be able to compete with these guys here. Because these guys are not now at my level, because probably their gig is much older, and also they've been graded many times. So I cannot be able to compete with them for now. But the more I work, the more my clients rate me, then that's how I'm going to be able to compete with this guy. And also the way you price yourself. I think for me, I don't underprice or overprice. You price based on your skill and based on the quality of your work. If you can be able to deliver, you can price based on how you can be able to deliver based on your client's expectation. So guys, I think that will be it for today's video. So thanks. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.